In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Elementor Free. For those of you who might not be familiar with it yet, Elementor is a powerful page builder plugin for WordPress that allows you to create stunning, custom layouts for your website without needing to write any code. It's incredibly user-friendly, even if you're new to web design. So, without further ado, let's dive into the installation process. First off, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your control panel for your WordPress site, where you can manage settings, create new content, and of course, install plugins like Elementor. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a variety of options here. What you want to do is hover over Plugins, and then click on Add New. This is the section of the WordPress dashboard where you can add third-party plugins, such as Elementor, to extend the functionality of your website. Now, you should see a search bar in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and type in Elementor and hit Enter. A list of results will appear, and what you're looking for is simply titled Elementor Website Builder. Double-check that the developer is Elementor.com to ensure you're installing the correct plugin. The one you're looking for is very popular, so you might notice it has millions of active installations. Once you've located it, click the Install Now button. This will download and unpack the plugin on your WordPress site. The installation process only takes a few moments. After the installation is complete, the button will change to Activate. It's crucial to click Activate because this step makes the plugin active and usable on your site. If you don't do this, the Elementor plugin won't be operational, even though it's installed. Upon activation, you'll be greeted with a welcome message from Elementor. You'll have the option to Go to Dashboard, which takes you to Elementor's dashboard, or you can create your first page, perfect for those eager to start building right away. I recommend spending a few moments exploring the Elementor dashboard to get familiar with its features and settings. This will help you later as you start customizing your website. Remember, Elementor Free is packed with enough features for many users' needs, but if you find yourself needing advanced elements and templates, you may consider upgrading to Elementor Pro. However, starting with the free version is an excellent way to get a feel for the plugin. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Elementor Free on your WordPress website. I hope you found this guide helpful. Take your time exploring all the creative possibilities Elementor offers. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your site.